Hello and welcome back to the Hebets and McCallin video blog. We're doing a series of videos to discuss the chemical tests used by police agencies in the investigation of DUI cases. And we're going to talk today about what happens if a person decides to refuse to take a chemical test. Now I know that many people who have been arrested for DUI think to themselves, well, if I don't take a test, then they don't have any evidence to use against me and my case is going to be thrown out, right? Well, not necessarily. A couple things you should know about refusing to take a test. First of all, the police officer who arrests you will advise you that you have a right to take a blood or a breath test, but that if you refuse to take a test, your license will be revoked for a year. And that is in fact the Colorado Express Consent Law, which is true. The DMV really punishes people for refusing to take a chemical test by taking their license for 1 year without any possibility of early reinstatement. Contrast that with the taking of a test. A person may lose their driver's license even if they're well over the legal limit, but they can get their license back as soon as 30 days in some cases, as opposed to the year-long revocation. The prosecutor in court can also use the refusal against the defendant even though we don't have a BAC. For example, the prosecutor can say, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, why would someone refuse to take a chemical test? It's because they wanted to hide the result that they knew they were drunk and under the influence of alcohol. However, there may be some good reasons why a person refuses to take a chemical test. Perhaps they have a medical condition that makes the administration of a blood or breath test uncomfortable or impossible. Perhaps that person doesn't need their driver's license and the year-long revocation isn't much of a threat to them. Perhaps they're untrusting of the police officer. These are reasons that can be explained to a jury that can combat their theory. If you ever get arrested for DUI, it's going to be very important to talk to an attorney who knows how to defend these cases. Give us a call at Hebets and McCallin. We'd love to talk to you. Have a great day.